What's up guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Asus and Lenovo unveiled their latest and greatest gaming phones last week featuring Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. ZTE Nubia sub-branded also launched a new gaming phone earlier this week powered by the older Snapdragon 865 chipset. Xiaomi's answer to the latest gaming phone from its rivals is the Black Shark 3S, which comes with a few small upgrades over the Black Shark 3 launched earlier this year. In terms of improvements, the Black Shark 3S packs a 6.67-inch Full HD plus 120Hz high refresh rate display instead of the 90Hz display found on the previous model and low latency of 17 milliseconds. For the most part, the Black Shark 3S is the same device as its predecessor. It's powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, which packs in 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. The triple camera setup on the back of the phone includes a 64 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. It also features a 20 megapixel selfie camera and a 4720 mAh battery with 65 watt fast charging. A secondary magnetic port is included as well, which supports 18 watt fast charging. Some of the other key highlights include touch sensitivity shoulder buttons and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the software side of things, the Black Shark 3S runs Android 10 out of the box with the manufacturer's Joy UI 12 on top. Thanks to the new software, Black Shark 3 has managed to include several new features on the Black Shark 3S, including screen pressure 4.0 for 3D touch controls, voice control 2.0 to help user adjust settings using voice commands while in game. Xiaomi's Black Shark 3S will go on sale in China today in Skyfall black and crystal blue colors. Prices will start at $573 for the base 12GB RAM and 128GB storage version and go up to $688 for the 12GB RAM and 512GB of storage version. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.